The gyro here getting some love. Get the cover off. William spark plug. I'm gonna charge the battery up and get it fired up. Jeez, I think she was due. She's alive. This has been a long time coming, but we're gonna do the bore up on the gyro so we can go faster than 35. Stay tuned. So they have like fender skirts on these. So I'm gonna take the shroud off. I get the carburetor off. It's in the parts washer. I have to rebuild the air box because that tube has a little rip in it, so I had to epoxy that crack that started. But it's an old bike, so stuff like that happens. Kind of a pain in the butt to get in here. Start pulling that off. So working on a gyro is like working on a car. It's kind of a pain in the butt. You take the starter off to get the exhaust bolts, or you could drop the engine. Whichever one you feel is easier. I went with the starter. But yeah, it has a like a flange style header, and then it bolts to the muffler. So two-piece exhaust. Fancy. What a fun job. So those two bolts on the exhaust flange down there. Let me get a light on it. That took the longest. The pain in the butt. The bore doesn't look bad. The bike was pretty quick. It's not like it was tired or anything. But we all want more power, so that's what we're doing. So here's the kit for the gyro. Bore, I think it's a 47, so like a 70cc. Gasket kit. It has a flat crush style top, but since I bought the special head for it, it gives us the O-ring style. Gives us the jet and the reeds. So got some carbon reed upgrade. Throw that in. Yeah, start slinging this thing on and making some power. Gripe about this. So they give you carbon reeds, and they give you the manifold, the base gasket and the head gasket, but they don't give you any of the gaskets for this. So they want you to take it off, just have your own gasket. It's like, come on. Slow and steady. There's the bore up in it. Before, after.